I think, yes,
Ang ganda naman!
Ay,
I love the top.
okay. Hi, hello. What's your name? Elaine. So hello, Elaine. Do you usually commute?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Do you commute going to work or school?
I go to school. Sometimes I use school.
Okay. So what do you usually ride when you commute?
Sometimes I book motor. Yeah.
Okay. So ano ba yung common na problema when you do your commutes?
The problem is when you use helmet and then you hairnet. So, especially with the weather, talagang naapektuhan yung amoy and then how it shines. That's the problem. And then when you arrive at your destination, your hair is dull na.
Yes, that's right. Medyo iba yung amoy eh. Kasi naman iba naman talaga yung amoy kapag nakulog sa helmet, right? So with that, we have a commute rush scenario, Maurice. What would you do?
What would I do? Can I just say na kahit mag-amoy sweaty ka, kaya mo idaan sa face guard. Ang cute niya, no? Super cute. Okay, so pag commute, for this situation, I would use the Petal Symphony. As in, ito talaga yung pinaka-perfect na scent for this situation. Kasi kapag nagko-commute tayo, di ba, hindi talaga maiiwasan na ma-put natin yung self natin in very crowded spaces, ma-expose sa pollution, sa smog, lahat. Hindi mo makokontrol yung situation. So this one is perfect because it has a very floral and clean scent. So 1 to 2 sprays lang yan, instant fresh na agad yung hair mo or scalp mo because it has the neroli extract that neutralizes that bad or smelly odor that you get from commuting. So this one is perfect for you. Iuwi mo na po siya.
Ayan. Congratulations sa freebies mo. Na joke lang. But for this, we actually have our Vitruras Hair Freshener Petal Symphony. So, would you do the honors, Maurice, and show our audience how to use it and ano ba yung amoy ng Petal Symphony?
Okay. Guys, usually ganito, just one and two. Ayan. Yun lang.
Wow! Ang dali! Ang bilis!
Yes! Parang alam mo, nag-perfume pa ako.
Paamoy, paamoy.
Bango, ang bango, diba?
So we try. Ayan. One,
One.
two.
Yes!
Very good! I love it!
Talaga siya, diba, ang amoy floral and amoy clean. So,
Yes. And just to let you guys know, our Vitruras hair fresheners are actually inspired by your favorite perfumes out there. So our Petal Symphony is inspired by Jador EDP, Christian Dior with an essential oil of Neroli. So very, very perfect, di ba? At a fraction of a cost. Super mura na itong ito. So again, thank you so much. Quick lang, what can you say? Okay, sige.
quick lang kasi.
Okay, sige. Quick. Very, very,
Yeah.
very quick lang.
Quick lang.
Okay, so ano lang, quickly, what can you say about the Petal Symphony?
It smells like flowers and I think it will help me pagdating sa school, mabango na ulit yung hair.
Alright, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ozula.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so ang ganda nun. Right, so hindi mo talaga maiwasan yung medyo iba na yung amoy. Lalo na kapag kakagaling ng ulan. Iba na yung iba na yung kulog. Okay.
Tsaka hindi lang yung amoy, yung mood mo rin.
Mhm. At least, di ba, kapag spray mo, you're instantly refreshed.
Yes.
Okay.
Meron siyang tulong sa confidence mo humarap sa mga tao. Kasi di ba siksikan, tapos,
Paano pag nasisiksikan? Ayan, ayan. Okay, pero kung nakapag-spray na ng Vitruras, paano na? Ang bigla. Okay, there you have it. Up next, may we call on our second, from the audience. I think we have someone here from the audience as we have another scenario.
hello!
Hi!
Face card rin siya!
Ang gaganda ng audience natin. Why? Okay, so hello, what's your name? Hi, Clyde. So, I just have a question for you. So, do you work out? Are you an active girly?
Well, I don't work out much, but I do play pickleball twice a week.
Ah, so pickleball pala to. Do you play pickleball, Maris?
Twice rin in my lifetime.
Twice, at least twice. Okay. So for this, what's the common problem that you face whenever you're done playing pickleball or other sports?
Actually,
playing, my hair gets really sweaty. So imagine lalo na after playing. Yeah, that's the main problem.
Yung pawis ng katawan, pawis pa ang buhok. Nako. For this, we have the post-workout situation. How about you, Maurice? What would you do?
Alam mo, relate na relate ako. Ako nag-workout kasi ako palagi. So, ang ginagamit ko ay Sweet Embrace. Ayan. Sweet Embrace is perfect naman for girlies who are very active and laging nagsisweat dahil sa workout or sa sports na nilalaro nila. Ako, personally, hindi ako ang nilalaro ko lang ay Gardenscapes. At saka Candy Crush. Pero active ako sa gym. So lagi akong nag-workout doon. Lagi ako nagtitraining ng action scenes. Lagi ko itong nilalagay sa bag kasi, di ba, after you work out, kahit na parang ang cute-cute ng workout clothes mo, parang after talaga, meron talagang natural odor na hindi mo maiiwasan. It's very musky. Yun yung pagkaka-describe ko. And I always spray this like how I did earlier kasi it has the, perfect siya for this situation in my opinion kasi it has the floral and fruity scent. And ayun nga na-neutralize nga yung very heavy, musky odor na that we exude after working out.
Yes, that's right. Parang instant bagong ligo. Scent.
Yes. Yeah, perfect talagang pagka-describe mo. Instant bagong ligo.
Yes, okay. So, for this, syempre, we need to try our Vitreous Sweet Embrace. So, spray natin. Pakita mo ulit, kahit na nakita na nila ulit. Ayan.
Guys, paglabas ko dito, grabe. Ang
Ang
bango ko na.
bango mo na. Tatlong scents yan. Okay. So, again, 1 to 2 sprays at a short distance. Pangay. Bango ni Maurice. Oh my gosh! Okay.
Ako 1 to 2 sprays lang talaga. Hindi ko siya sinusobra kasi mag-flatten naman yung hair ko, diba? And then, to retain that natural, fragrant scent, para hindi siya masyadong perfumey.
Yes, that's
So, 1 to 2
right.
sprays lang, and perfect na siya.
Yeah. Enough na yun. So, paano ang hair flip ng Sweet Embrace? Paano, anong gagawin mo na yung hair flip?
Sweet lang.
Sweet lang. Sweet lang. Ang bilis! Okay! Very quick! Okay, very quick. So again, thank you so much, Mai. Thank you. Alright, I think, of course, we only need one more, one more from our audience to participate. To our organizers.
Ayan.
Okay na yan.
Wait. Ang ganda naman ng mga girls today.
Oh my gosh, hi!
Grabe.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi everyone, I'm Queenie.
Hi,
Queenie. I love your eyes.
At Queenie, I have a question for you. Do you go out with your friends often?
Yes, I do a lot.
What are some
Grabe
of
yung a lot, ha?
A
Pwede
lot.
mo i-share?
With emphasis. Okay, so what are the common problems that you usually, face when you're going out with your friends?
So since we always go a lot, we usually eat out. So syempre kapag kumakain ka sa labas, diba yung problem mo is when you go inside the restaurant, you go out, tapos parang may smell na yung hair mo. So yun yung problem namin whenever we go.
May ganang problem ka rin ba, Maurice? Because for this, our situation is dining out with friends. Okay, what would Maurice do?
For this situation, relate na relate ako dito. Sinatry ko na to experience.
Anong experience to?
Hindi, pero kapatid ko naman yung nag-call out sa akin. So, ang perfect mong gawin or perfect na scent for you for this situation is this, the Lush Radiance. Yan.
Wow.
Sino dito yung nagmo-mall, tapos parang may mga kasalubong siya, tapos parang cute siya, ganyan, tapos lakad, tapos dito siya, tapos naamoy mo siya, tapos nasabi mo na lang, ay, galing siyang Samgyu.
Yes! Di ba may mga ganun talaga?
May mga ganun talaga moment. So, may ganun ako moment. Pero sa kapatid ko, luckily. So, yeah, this one is perfect. Pag spray niyo to, guys, as in, amoy, wala na ko ibang ma-describe, but like, amoy malinis talaga siya. It smells so fresh. Pag
Ayan,
i-spray mo
tignan
siya,
natin.
parang, gusto mo ba i-spray ko, sir?
Ay,
Amoy, hindi!
wala pa.
Hindi, amoy matcha.
Amoy matcha.
Hindi, joke lang. Okay, let's spray.
1 to 2 sprays.
And then 2. Diba? Diba?
Anong amoy? Anong amoy?
Oh, I feel so fresh right now.
Diba?
We're
Parang
fresher now.
kapag nagwo-walk ka sa beach, di ba may parang cool breeze? Tapos kung i-ano mo siya into a scent, parang, I love life. Di ba?
Oo.
Sobrang nakaka-relax siya. So, pwede mo siyang i-spray din sa mask mo. Uy, hindi. Sa hair lang.
Hair, yes, that's right. Ikaw, paano ang hair flip ng Lush Radiance?
Lush.
Wow! Palakpakan naman natin si Maurice, everybody, guys! I love it! So again, thank you so much for joining us here today. Okay, so now of course, we finally met our 3 variants of our Vitreous hair freshener. Sabi, ano naman masasabi mo sa lahat ng nakita at naamoy natin for this afternoon?
Alam mo, ang masasabi ko, they all have one thing in common. They smell so luxurious.
Yes, agree.
Amoy, so siya talaga yung amoy niya, ang masasabi ko. Di ba may iba na parang, may ibang hair freshen or may hairsprays na parang pag i-spray mo, amoy pang hairspray
Oo,
talaga.
Tsaka parang sobrang tapang.
It smells so
strong. Yeah.
Parang amoy mo yung alcohol. Ito talaga is really fresh. Para kang hindi ka mako-conscious because para kang nag-spray ng perfume.
Yes, that's right. Diba? And since you said na parang ka nag-spray ng perfume, again, our 3 variants are actually inspired by our famous perfumes. Of course, ang ating Sweet Embrace smells like the Taj Sunset by Escada. Our Metal Symphony reminds me of the Jador EDP by Christian Dior. And of course, one of my favorites, itong Lush Radiance, which smells like cool water, David. Oh, diba? Diba? Paano tayo nag-perfume? Again, at the fraction of the cost, diba? At saka marami siyang sizes, right? Ay, may sizes siya.
Yeah, there's a bigger one. Ito yung biggest.
Yes.
Hindi. Yung biggest niya, kasya pa rin sa bag, but there's a smaller one also for the smallest, for your small bags or pouches. So, easy to use, easy to put sa bag, hindi siya masyadong malaki, and very sulit ang price.
Yes, I love that. So there we have it, everybody. 3 different moods, 3 amazing luxurious scents for your hair. But 1 instant hair refresh solution from Vitreous hair freshener. So again, take note, guys, that these newest fragrances are only available here at Watson's. Now, before we wrap up, thank you so much to everyone for joining us today, and of course, to our Vitreous girl, Maurice, for joining us and discovering the newest Vitreous variant with us.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me once again, Beautycon, Vitreous, and Watsons. Maraming salamat. And I hope you guys can visit the Vitreous booth. Meron silang mga promos, bundles, coupons. May 50% off din. And you know, I heard that may raffle or something. May games,
Yes.
mananalo sila ng Daiso.